Hey YouTube, this is going to be a quick video. This is actually my second try. I did the I started to film and I got about halfway through it and then realized that I needed the scissors and tried to pause it, but something happened and I wasn't able to pause it. So let's go over this again. So had a couple trips today. Went down to Carl's Cards and Collectibles in Havertown, and I picked up a couple of mystery baseballs, a bobblehead, and a large card that I want to show off. I had a couple pickups today, nothing super special, but I also stopped at the Rawlings Outlet in Lancaster, and I picked up two. I had heard that they had 2022 World Series baseballs, official baseballs, for $20. So I bought two in hopes of, hopefully getting a couple of more Phillies autographs this year. I already have Alec Boehm on a World Series ball. I have a Kyle Schwarber on a regular Major League Baseball. But I'm hoping to get maybe Rhys Hoskins, who unfortunately recently got hurt. He's going to be out for the season. But if the Phillies do the ALS, festival this year, hoping to get down there, but I bought these just in case. If I ever have the opportunity to get a couple of the guys who were on the World Series team, the National League Championship team last year, get their own on the signature. So I stopped at Carl's Cards and I picked up this Larry Bowa bobblehead. Now this is a 2015. This is a limited edition one. Larry was a switch hitter in his career, so the regular bobble has him facing the other direction. So this is the more unique one. That was only available, I think, in grab bags. And I always love these. When the Phillies do bobbleheads, they usually put them in a cool box that has a lot of graphics, a lot of photographs, and then also you could see the bobble through the box, so you can even display it in the box itself. Also, Carl's, I saw that he had this cool Kent Tekulve 5x7 autograph picture. He had they had Teak there. I guess it was last season, might have been the season before, doing autographs, and unfortunately I wasn't able to go there that day. But it was nice to pick this item up. Teak was he was a 1979 World Series champion with the Pirates. Played most of his career with the Pirates, played probably about 3 or 4 seasons with the Phillies, to finish out his career. Was successful here as well, but we didn't have as good a team. But he was a great pitcher, and had his time. So I wanted to get that because he was also a pretty unique pitcher as well. So, well, this is the focus of this video. There's the Carl's logo. And he has like these, mystery baseball. So we're not really sure what we're going to get. But I know he had a list of the different items that, basically he had a case of baseballs. And there's different players that you can get. And I'm not really sure who we're going to get to. And I don't really remember, other than Bobby Shantz, who I have his autograph. There's a baseball back there somewhere. So let me open up one of these boxes and we can see what we got together. So this looks like, okay, so it's Bob Boone, who I don't believe I have his autograph on a baseball. So Bob Boone played probably 20 years of Major League Baseball, if not close to it. He was on the 1980 World Series Championship Phillies team. I believe later played in the American League for like the Angels. So I got Bob Boone. That's pretty cool. Like I said, I think I have. I might have a Boone autograph somewhere, but I definitely don't have it on a baseball. It's funny, I got this scissors, and it's still challenging because of the way this one is taped is a little different. Thought getting the scissors was going to make it easier, but no, not much. All right. Because I don't want to mess up the box, but it is what it is. Okay, so the second box has a Charlie Hayes. And there's the official. This is pretty good. Charlie Hayes, another. Let me take it out of the bag. Charlie Hayes on an official baseball. Charlie Hayes played with the Phillies. Also, I believe the Rockies, and I think he won a World Series championship with the Yankees. Might have been on one of those 96, 98 teams, one of those. All right, well, thank you for watching. So this is probably a little more frequent of a Phils fan video, but we're going to try to get some more content out. I don't collect as much as I was, but I'm so slowly getting back into the hobby. So, hopefully, hit the thumbs up, try to like my video, comment, give me a shout out. It's great. It's great to be back on YouTube. All right. Have a great day, everybody.